Studio Cells and Grids tutorial. Hello guys and welcome to this new tutorial. In today's video I'm going to show you how simple and easy it is to use the grids and the cells on your Wix Studio website. So we are going to head over wix.com, sign in for an account, choose up one of the websites that have the built-on Wix Studio label. So this is going to be the first step. I'm going to show you in a few seconds here how you can find the labeled websites. So this is the more important part, so you're going to have a good start. We can see that we have built on Wix Studio, built on Wix Studio, built on Wix Studio. So select the website that you have and we're going to be basically here. So you're going to have the website selected. Then we can go ahead and select the edit button on it. This is the edit button, edit site. Once we have did that, we're going to be on this place. So on this place, we're going to find the website editor, which is going to be responding to our needs. Now I'm going to add a section. This section is going to be empty. We can go ahead and click on grid layout and select one of the grids. We have, as you can see, section grid or grids. We can have some sections with integrated cells or unified cells like this, 2 cells, whatever. Let's choose one of them. I can go ahead and choose this one. Either I click on it and see it or like that. So as you can see, this is something called section grid cell. This one also is going to be cell. So I can go ahead and select the section as it is and delete the cell. So you can see that we have here, this is going to be the cell. You can add media to the cell or something like that. Or you can go ahead and click on section grid, columns. You can add rows, for example, or do something with this. Do not forget that if you want to add something, we're going to be here. Click on layout tools, section grid, use whatever. So you can go ahead and add whatever cells that you need by clicking and adding them to the place that you want. That was pretty much it for today's video. As you can see, this is going to be cell. You can delete a cell, add a new cell. For example, you can have the button by adding a column. It is going to be a new cell. And here you go. That was all for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. I hope that you have enjoyed the content. And I hope to see you soon on the next one.